Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best drone under $100 with camera. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Pellucid. Model number, F10. Built with 6K pixel HD dual cameras, it surprisingly captures stunning images and videos from the sky. With Wi-Fi function, it can connect to apps and take photos, videos and real-time transmission through the phone. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. With 5G, 2.4G Wi-Fi function, it can access app and app system to take photos, videos, and transmit images in real time through mobile phone camera. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance up to 300 meters. 20 minutes powerful flight, safer flying. GPS positioning enables the drone to automatically return to home when battery is low, signal is weak, or lost. The orbital motion will make the aircraft fly in a circle, providing a colder shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route on the screen, and use the helicopter as a given path. Number 4. Brand name, Jimatu. Model number, LS. Foldable arms, small size, easy to carry. With altitude hold mode function, flight is stable. In headless mode, there is no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. Easily find your way home using the one-button back function. Built-in 30-watt pixel, 500-watt pixel 4K pixel HD camera. Surprisingly, it can capture stunning pictures and videos from the sky. Draw a flight path on the screen. The drone will fly autonomously along the specified path. 4 channels for ascent, descent, forward, backward, left flight, right flight and 360. 6-axis gyroscope, smoother flight and more convenient control. LED lights make flying more spectacular, especially in the dark. Number 3. Brand name, Visuo. Model number, XS816. Long flight time, about 20 minutes. HD FPV flight, equipped with 4K 1080 pixel HD, which transmits the videos in real time. Support view switch. Normal front lens, lower lens, picture-in-picture, split screen. The pitch angle of the camera is adjustable. Optical flow positioning system for stable flight. With optical flow positioning system, the flight is more stable. One key following mode. In the mode, the drone will fly following the player to capture the beautiful moment. Gesture shooting, take photos just by one gesture without complex operation. G-sensor control, control the flying direction by tilting your mobile phone. 360-degree flip function, just press one key, you can see an aerobatic flight. Number 2. Brand name, NAR. Model number, E99. With Wi-Fi function, you can connect to a PK system to take photos and videos, and transmit images in real time through the phone camera, and there are 2 cameras to choose from. Using 1080 pixel or 4K wide-angle camera can provide a variety of high-definition pictures and videos. Ballistic flight, draw a flight path on the screen. The drone will automatically fly along the specified direction. It has 3 levels of flight speed switching, can make the flight more interesting. With foldable arms, it is compact and easy to carry. Using the headless mode, it is easier to fly to the destination without adjusting the position of the aircraft before flying. The altitude maintaining mode function can provide stable flight. Number 1. Brand name, Cordless. Model number, S60. Wi-Fi control, Realize real-time transmission of real-time video by pairing mobile applications with drone Wi-Fi. One-button takeoff, landing, make operation more convenient. One-button automatic return function, the plane can easily find the way home. Wide-angle camera, capture and record every beautiful and memorable moment. High maintenance, it provides convenient operation and stable flight for beginners. Headless mode, completely solve the pilot's misalignment problem. Gesture photo recording, the camera automatically recognizes gestures to take photos or videos.